everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a full-time fashion reseller over on the Poshmark app, and today's video is going to be a haul from January. So yesterday I went to two different thrift stores. I did go to Goodwill and purchased quite a few items, about 16 or so. And then I also went to just a local area thrift store that we have here. They are a little more pricey compared to Goodwill, but they do have a little bit better brands there. So I found just 3 items there. I was kind of in a rush, so I found 3 items there that I'm getting ready to show you. I will point out which items that I did purchase from the local thrift store. They were a little bit more expensive. I did pay up for them, but the quality of them was worth it. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just continue to watch. Also, if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. I do love feedback, so if there's a brand that you don't know about, or if there's some feedback you can give me about a brand that I don't know a lot about, I would really appreciate it in the comments below. So without further ado, here you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on into this video. So the first majority of what I got was from Goodwill, and then towards the back there's 3 dresses that I did get from a different thrift store. Their prices are typically a little higher just because they have a little bit better quality and better brands there, and you'll see what I mean when I get to those. So first item is a fossil wristlet. At first glance I just thought it was a makeup bag, but it actually is a wristlet because it has this attachment. So it's actually 2 bags in one. This is the wristlet. Here is the logo for Fossil. Has kind of a metal zipper here, heavy duty, and then it also includes a makeup bag that you could either leave attached or you could put on the inside. They both need to be cleaned, like wiped clean, but they are just like a vinyl or a canvas material. Really pretty floral design on this. I do have most of these listed in my closet already, so if you're curious about pricing and things like that, those are listed. Some of these, not all of them. The next thing I found I don't typically pick up. So this is just Abercrombie. I don't typically pick up Abercrombie or Hollister unless it's just something unique or something I really like. And I don't know that it's going to pick up on camera, but these actually have kind of a green tint to them, almost like a mint green. And I just thought it was really unique. So it has the distressing here going on, which is very, of course, on trend. Here's the back. These were discounted half price, which is why I got them. If they had been full price, I probably would have passed on them, but just because they were on sale and very unique, they've got the side slits with the light green on there. I really like that. That was my favorite part. So got that. Okay, so next we have a White House Black Market blouse, and the reason I picked this up is I heard another seller say that she does well selling the new label, which this is the new label, the White House Black Market. I don't know, I have some jeans that have the old label in this haul, so I'll show you what the old label looks like. But this is the new label. It's all one line, so it's a newer top, but this is just so beautiful. It is lace overlay, but it also has the cami underneath, and so I couldn't pass it up. It's just so beautiful, and really you could wear it any season because, you know, this could be layered and you could wear it in the fall and the winter, or you could wear it by itself in the spring or the summer. So really pretty, beautiful piece. As you can see, I got a lot of coral. I had another reseller tell me that she heard that coral was going to be really popular in the spring, and honestly I think coral is just a beautiful color anyway, so I had no problems picking it up. And I actually found a lot. I didn't try to find coral, I just happened to. Okay, so this is an Altered State. I found quite a few items from Altered State. It is, at first I thought it was a dress, but it's almost too short. I think it's more of like a tunic length, so you could probably get away with wearing it as a dress, but I just listed it as a top. But it has this really pretty like mesh see-through at the top with this embroidery. And then the back has a really large keyhole opening with the double buttons. It is the older label. I have something else that I bought from Altered State in this haul with a newer label, so I can kind of show you the difference. So there's the older one. This is a size small. This is already listed, and I have actually gotten quite a few people looking at it. It is completely lined, so that's kind of a plus, I think. Just a real pretty, and I do like the pleating here in the back. Just a really pretty blouse. So these next two items, I don't typically pick up Gap either, unless it's something very unique. So these are really cool because they were together, and as you see, they are the same. They're in the exact same condition, and they're the same size. So clearly someone donated both items. But I really liked, first of all, they are linen, a linen blend. I think they're 54% linen. But I really just like the metallic look to it. I just thought that was very unique. So this one is white with silver and gray stripes. And then this one is pink with gold and white stripes. So they're essentially identical. They're just different colors. They both have the side slit, and they're both a size small. So I just thought those were really cute. I think I just have the pink uploaded right now because I found stock photos for it. Okay, next is Madewell. Those of you that don't know, Madewell is an umbrella company of J. Crew. I think I've only sold one item from Madewell. I have another item in my closet, maybe more than one, but another, just a plain t-shirt. So Madewell is definitely their more casual line of J. Crew. They have a little pocket, has a little pocket here, has a pretty deep v-neck, so you definitely have to probably wear a cami or something underneath. It's like, at first I thought it was gray, but now that I'm looking at it, it's got a lot of like just cream color to it. So kind of a gray cream along with these kind of corally red orange stripes. I did notice a flaw, however, after I got it home. There's just some loose threads and loose stitching here. So I will just definitely note that and still list it because it is a good brand and it's really not too big of a deal. I would still wear this. So, oh, let's see. The size is kind of wrinkled up in there, but it is a size small. There's that. So next is a We the Free, which is Free People. Free People almost always has this type of metal tag. Sorry, the light is just not catching that. But We the Free, from what I've heard, is more of a casual line compared to just the regular Free People. But what I thought was really, really cool about this is you can see this like teal detail, like stitching. So it's kind of just throughout. At first I kind of thought someone had done it, but it's definitely meant to be there because they have it, as I just noticed, on the hem. Hopefully it'll show, let's see, the hem as well. So it has kind of a frayed hem, which is typical of Free People. But my favorite part was these buttons at the cuffs. I thought this was just so cute. Here we go. So cute. So on the bottom of each of the cuffs, so it's almost like a sweater thermal type top. And that is really cool detail as well. But it's on the inside, which I thought was interesting. It's not on the outside. So, anywho, just kind of a really cool, I really like finding unique items. I think they sell better. So, that's definitely unique to me. Okay, so next is this. This is a altered state. This is what the new tag looks like. Those of you that were wondering. And I couldn't pass this up. It is just so beautiful. It's like a mauve color, I think. Kind of a purpley color. It does have bell sleeves, as you can see. Really pretty open like lace detail here. Keyhole in the back with the double buttons. Kind of an oversized fit, I guess. Very flowy. And it is a size small. I did find a lot of size small, but this could, I mean, this is a large. It stretches too. It could probably be a medium as well. I just noticed there's kind of a surface stain. I don't know if you can even tell. I'm probably going to treat that just to see if it'll come out. Okay, so next is Lucky Brand. This is this color is hard to describe because it is red, but it's more of like a dark coral red. But it has this beautiful embroidery around the front. It also has it on the back. But my favorite part, I think, is the cuffs. I love the embroidery on the cuffs. I just think that makes it just really tie together. It is stretchy, kind of sheer material. Like, it's not see-through by any means, but it's definitely light. Not quite burnout, but just a very lightweight shirt, size medium. So next is Lululemon. I got really excited because I don't find Lululemon very often here where I live. Oops. So that's how I noticed it, was of course the tag. Lululemon, and then it also has the same logo on the zipper pockets here. So this is definitely a bright orange. It's called Run Wild, and it's a half zip. but these actually have reflective material, so when you do go run, people can see you. Also has it on the sides and the back here. Here's the Lululemon logo, just really lightweight. The only issue with this is it doesn't have the size. So I had to measure, I believe it's a size 6. I'm going to have one of my friends try it on because she's a size 6 and she can just kind of tell me. It does have quite a bit of stretch to it. So that's the good thing about Lulu is, you know, it can fit kind of multiple sizes sometimes. So I have it listed as a size 6. I'm going to have her try it though. Oh, it does have thumb holes. I always like to mention that because I really like those. There's that. Alrighty, so next we have a olive green Lucky Brand jacket. So this is like a military utility jacket, which is what I listed it as. Has this really great heavy duty zipper here. It has the waist can be singed or tightened here on the sides to give more of a tailored fit, but my favorite thing is the sleeves. Again, I swear I love sleeves, but the cuffs, they can be rolled or unrolled, and it has this beautiful pattern on the inside, and when they're unrolled, they actually are, oh, the button came out. They have just these 3 buttons here, so just a really cute, I mean, this jacket is very heavy duty jacket. I do like the back top, the way the stitching is. So this is already listed in my closet. I think I listed it as 75. It was originally 115. So that was a really great find. Okay, next is Altered State again. It is the older label, but I was really surprised because it's new with the tag. So I thought that was a really great deal. Beautiful coral color, perfect for the spring or for Easter. The back is my favorite. This is a beautiful butterfly lace detail on the back. It's called Flutterby is the dress. Zips on the side as well, and it is completely lined. Let me see if I can show you. There's the lining. So it is completely lined, kind of a plus, I think. And this is a size medium. It is already listed in my closet. Okay, so the next 3 dresses are from the other thrift store that was a little bit more expensive, but I didn't mind paying up for these items because I really love these items. So I did a lot of shopping for uniqueness and the style, not necessarily the brand. Of course, I did find some great brands also, but I could not pass this dress up. This is, it's actually a sweater material, like a sweater dress, but it is sleeveless. It has more of a low waist, and then I wish I could show you. It flares out at the bottom, and it just reminded me of like a tapestry or something. Like, look at the detail. It is floral, but the detail I just thought was beautiful, and it feels just so soft. So the brand is Romeo and Juliet Couture. I'm pretty sure, I looked this up. I already do have this listed. Here's the inside. I already do have this listed. 55% cotton, size large. I think it's sold at Nordstrom. So just a really beautiful dress. I couldn't pass this one up. Alrighty, so the next one is another dress. I got quite a few dresses this trip, but dresses do well for me. So this is a Tommy Hilfiger size extra large. It's a sailboat dress. It is new with tag. And it has these really pretty metal buttons, which I think are great. They also have them on the sleeves. And once again, I really like the sleeves on this because they can be rolled. And it has just a different pattern on the inside, which, you know, just gives you so many different looks with one item. It also comes with a belt. So I just thought that was a great deal to get something new with tag. Okay, so the last dress that I found there, this is a maxi dress, so I'm not going to be able to show you the whole length. It's by Style & Company, or Style & Co., and it is at Nordstrom as well, size extra large. I've been looking for bigger sizes. Of course, I got a lot of small, but this has, it's called a crochet bib, is what this is called here. An empire waist, so kind of a higher waist, and then it has this just beautiful pattern all the way down to the floor. It is sleeveless. Here's the back, just you can kind of see the pattern a little bit better here. But just a really beautiful maxi dress. I do have this listed already, so if you're curious about it, you can find that in my closet. Okay, so next we have my pants that I found. I did get these 2 pair of jeans half price, and then this is some Lululemon that I did pay up for, but I'll show them to you. Okay, so the first pair is Citizens of Humanity, excuse me, jeans. So these are actually sold, sorry, I didn't mean to knock the camera. These are sold, I believe, at Anthropologie. They are really great quality jeans. I have quite a few in my closet already, and they are just so thick. And like the material, they're just, you can just tell by touching them that they're good quality. And the great thing about them is they always have on the inside the description. So it's really easy for me to look up stock photos for this. So this is the Ingrid number 02002 low waist flare, and it has stretch. These are a size 28. I feel like I'm knocking the camera all around. Size 28. There we go. These are already listed in my closet, so you can view them there. So just really nice pair of jeans. So my next pair is the White House Black Market that I was mentioning earlier, and I said how they had an older label. So that's what the older label looks like. But these are, I left the thing on there, these are an 8 regular. They are a boot cut, looks like. Just kind of a dark wash boot cut, 8 regular. They don't really look like they've even been worn. Here's the back. Like usually silver buttons that are like this are a little bit tarnished or whatever if they've been worn, and it's like new. So I picked these up just because they were half price. I probably wouldn't have picked them up if they were full price, but because they don't, you know, sell as well as some other brands. Alright, so last but not least is some Lululemons. I actually purchased these on shopgoodwill.com. It's a lot like eBay where you can bid on items. And the reason that I got them was because they were discounted a lot because they didn't have a size dot. But I just measured them. They're a size 4 tall because the inseam is like 34 inches. And then I just measured the waist and hips and stuff like that and compared. But these are really awesome because they're like, instead of being black, it's hard to tell on the camera, they're actually navy. They're a navy color. But the waistband is just so beautiful. It's like a blue snakeskin, I guess. And there is the Lululemon logo here. These are the Groove 3 pant, and they are like a yoga pant. They have like a wide, not a wide leg, but a flare leg. Alrighty, that's it for my haul. Alright, that's it for the haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.